How's it going, everybody? It's your boy Stas here. Welcome back to another video. So listen up. We have to break down some stocks today, like you guys saw in the title, and we're going to break down the indexes, kind of where my head's at overall in the stock market right now. But first, guys, of course, hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe and snag up your free stocks for Moomoo. Open up your account using that link down below and deposit at least $100. Once you do that, you get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $1,000, you get 10 more free stocks, and overall your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, what are you waiting for? Use that link down below or go to stasurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. Let's get right into the video. So check it out. It's about 1:30 p.m. right now on the East Coast, and guys, the stock market is not looking the best, which we got to give it some slack considering all the indexes have hit all-time highs recently. We've been exploding, so we are selling off a little bit here. We have the S&P, which now it's actually at break even, but earlier in the day, it was down a little bit, like 0.5%, if that. We have QQQ currently up a little bit, which I think earlier in the day it was down. Let me double check. Yeah, earlier this morning QQQ was in the red, but now we're slightly in the green, pushing towards all-time highs as the Dow is down about 0.1%. Dow Jones down a little bit, but still, guys, pretty much at all-time highs at this point. We hit an all-time high a couple of days ago at over 45,000 points, and the Russell is really the only one that is, I guess, a good chunk in the red, down over 0.5%. But this also hit an all-time high about a week ago. So, guys, all these indexes, they're selling off a little bit today, but at the end of the day, guys, it's much needed. It's not that big of a deal. It's a healthy pullback, right? You guys see the chart here on the Russell on the 4-hour time frame, still very much in an uptrend. Obviously, nobody's denying that. The Dow's looking really good, uptrending. SPY looks phenomenal, breaking out of this triangle that we called out. QQQ, same thing. You know, this is about to hit all-time highs any second now. So yeah, we're looking really good here across the board despite what we're doing today. And there's a lot of stocks that are moving. Coinbase now is at $310 per share, back over, let's see, 2.5% in the green today. So clearly Coinbase saw a big move here. From around, let's see, 170 to 340. Oh my gosh, man, this thing doubled in stock price. Oh, that's just ridiculous. It pretty much doubled 90% in the span of around a week. So yeah, that's just, oh my God, man. Ever since Trump got elected, crypto has just been on steroids. It's like, have you guys, you know, like a gym analogy, have you guys seen a skinny guy that's obviously natural, not on steroids, right? That's what crypto was like on November 4th. Come November 11th, crypto's like freaking Arnold Schwarzenegger, right? Or, you know, Ronnie Coleman. If you guys follow bodybuilding, you might have heard of Ronnie Coleman. You definitely heard of Arnold. It's like 1 week goes by and the whole crypto market is on steroids. Coinbase doubled up, for Pete's sake. A publicly traded company that is a massive company doubled up in a week. Come on, man. And now we've been consolidating for about a month, which it's crazy. It's been a month already since the election. But since that double up, we've consolidated. But this kind of looks like a bull flag now, doesn't it? I mean, this looks like we could get even more upside. I mean, this is this is pretty much a bull flag, right? You see it for yourselves. And now I'm about to sneeze. Phenomenal. I'm going to fight that sneeze back, guys. Hold on. Oh, man. Woohoo. So, yeah, Coinbase, we got a bull flag. I feel like this could be going even higher any day now. Any day we can break out and start going mid 300s again. So Coinbase, I'm watching it very closely here as crypto has obviously been going bananas. Like I said, it's on steroids at this point. XRP, and funny thing, side tangent here, side note, do you guys remember freaking XRP? I told you all I bought some at 69 cents and I was going to buy a lot more, but I decided to just buy a smaller position and now it's at $2.70. I mean, what the heck, guys? Again, crypto, it's on steroids now. When you buy a crypto and it goes up 300% in less than a month, yeah, you know what kind of market it is, guys. It's nuts. So Coinbase, you got to watch it. Amazon looks like it's right at all-time highs now. Looks like it's going to test them, maybe even break them. So Amazon, we called it out under 200. If you missed it, I feel like momentum could still take us higher at this point. I feel like if we break that all-time high, 220, 225 could be right around the corner. There could be more upside here on Amazon. So I'm liking the way we're looking here on this one. Let's see. What else is moving here, guys? I mean, Apple we've covered. Apple's continuing to break, which, are you surprised? I'm not. I covered this in my email on Monday yesterday, which, by the way, join the email list. It's free. I'm sending out my top 3 stocks every single Monday. Check out the link in the description box. Apple was in that email, guys, when it was at 235, and now we're at 241. We're breaking out the triangle, which, by the way, I think still has legs to go. The triangle is starting to break out now. We're looking good. So Amazon, Apple, in terms of big tech, you got to watch those two. Alphabet as well, obviously. Google is at break even today, but I think this will recover back to the mid-high 170s, maybe back to the 180s in due time. So we're looking good on Google. I actually bought up this dip a little bit, nothing too crazy because, look, I've owned Google for years already, so I'm not looking to add a bunch more Google here, but I did add a little bit. I nibbled some more on this dip here. So Google, I'm liking on this dip here, guys. Let's see what else is moving. Maybe what is selling off today. Looks like we have Oklo moving down. OKLO is the ticker. It's down almost 10% today. Looks like we are selling off towards the 180 SMA here on the 4-hour chart. This might hold as support around $19-20. Let's see if we do get buyers to come in there on OKLO. Let's see. I think Tesla looks like it's taken a beating, which we've covered before, obviously, here on the channel. But even though it's down about 2.5%, we are still in an ascending triangle on Tesla. Still looks pretty bullish. So I'm going to set my alert. Might as well at 363. Mark is at or above. We'll see if it's able to break out of there. Maybe start going higher from that point. That is TSLA. Let's see. We have CRM, which is actually reporting earnings today. When you're watching this, the earnings might already be out. They're not out now when I'm making this video, but as of now, CRM is down about $20 from the recent highs. We're a little oversold, heading towards the 180 SMA here on the 4-hour chart, around 310, 320. So this could very well be where buyers come in, but it all depends on earnings. We'll see how earnings shake up here in the next couple of hours. Well, by the time you're watching this, they're already out. So yeah, guys, those are a couple of stocks I'm watching. Quick, rapid fire style type video. Those are some thoughts on the indexes. So let me know your thoughts. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe. Literally, guys, 75% of you, I check my analytics, watch the videos, but you don't subscribe. So if that's you, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and don't forget to get your free stocks. Open up your account from Moomoo using that link down below and deposit at least $100. You get 5 free stocks, and deposit at least $1,000. You get 10 more free stocks, totaling 15 stocks, and overall, your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, use that link down below. The clock's ticking, or go to StockSurfS.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.